In this lecture, we'll take a look at the introduction to Google Cloud Run. So what is Google Cloud Run? So Cloud Run is a managed compute platform that enables you to run containers that are invocable via requests or events. Cloud Run is serverless, so it abstracts away all infrastructure management so you can focus on what matters most, which is building great applications. So what are some of the advantages of Google Cloud Run? So you can write code your way using your favorite languages. Could be Go, Python, Java, Ruby, Node.js, and more. You abstract away all infrastructure management for a simple developer experience. It is built upon the container and Knative open standards, enable portability of your applications. Container to production in seconds. So you write code your way by deploying any code or container that listens for requests or events, and you build applications in your favorite language with your favorite dependencies and tools and deploy them in seconds. It's fully managed, so Cloud Run abstracts away all infrastructure management by automatically scaling up and down from zero almost instantaneously depending on traffic. Cloud Run only charges you for the exact resources you use. So some more major benefits of Cloud Run. Enhanced developer experience. So Cloud Run makes app development and deployment simple and faster, and it's fully integrated with Google Code, Google Build, cloud monitoring, and cloud logging for an enhanced end-to-end developer experience. We'll see some of these other tools in action in this course later. Any language, any library, any binary. So you use the programming language of your choice, any language or operating system libraries, or you can even bring your own binaries to Cloud Run. You can leverage container workflow and standards. So containers have become a standard to package and deploy code and its dependencies these days. So Cloud Run pairs great with the container ecosystem, which is Cloud Build, Cloud Code, Artifact Registry, and Docker. And you only pay per use, which means that you only pay when your code is running, built to the nearest 100 millisecond. So let's take a look at the free tier limits. So there is a following table which uses the gigabit second unit. So a gigabit second means 1 GB byte instance for 1 second, or running a 256 megabyte instance for 4 seconds. We won't bother around the definition of these, but take a look at this table, and we're concerned with the first row, which is the free tier. So you have this many free virtual CPU seconds per month, and these many memory allocations per month, and these many requests, and this much networking outgoing. Other things are priced at these rates, but then again, for our demo and general test using and just playing around and learning, you won't be going beyond the free tier limits usually. So what are the topics that we are going to cover in the demo? So we are going to deploy a pre-built sample container, and we will be using a sample container that has already been uploaded to the container registry repository. So that was a quick overview of Google Cloud Run. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next lecture.